A movie review post type is only half the story without somewhere to store the rating, the release year, and the director. Custom fields, and ACF specifically, are how real, structured data attaches to any post. The real, official ACF plugin's own admin screen, a genuine visual field group builder, now installed and active. The Real Field Builder UI, adding fields like movie rating and release year here, entirely by clicking, no hand-typed meta keys. The Real Movie Review Post, now genuinely carrying structured custom field data alongside its normal title and content. The Real List of Movie Reviews, each one now capable of carrying the exact same real structured rating year data. Confirms advanced custom fields is genuinely active alongside every other Real plugin already on this site. The Real official directory shows Real alternatives to ACF is the most popular, genuine choice, but not the only real one. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this Real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real visual field builder, and real structured data attached to a real post, no hand-typed meta keys required. Try it yourself, install the Real ACF plugin, and build a real field group of your own.